community service at a community college.
So bad. We only have 132 more hours to go.
Aren't you left?
Oh, I have, Mama. Don't worry.
Do you think the safest place in the world for your baby is wrapping your arms? It can also be one of the most dangerous. Because parents risk protecting these moms and potentially fatal to infants. Researchers found that 80% of babies get it from family members. Ask your healthcare provider about the adult pertussis vaccine.